Hello students, let's solve this question. A man crosses a river in a boat. If he crosses the river in minimum time, he takes 10 minutes with a drift of 120 meter. If he crosses the river taking the shortest path, he takes 12.5 minutes. Find width of river, velocity of boat with respect to water and speed of current. And we need to assume that velocity of boat with respect to water is greater than velocity of river. So in standard conditions, this question is asked to us, and we are supplied with the two situations. The if he crosses the river in minimum time, so we need to know what is the condition of crossing the river in minimum time. To cross the river in minimum time, one should aim for the directly opposite bank of the river. If a boat is aiming to a directly opposite bank, then it's going to cross the river in minimum time because its velocity in this y direction is going to be maximum. If the velocity of boat with respect to water is VBR and velocity of river is VR, so in this situation, if the width of river is W, then the time to cross the river it's going out to be W by VBR. But in same time, the drift is going out to be drift. Let's assume that drift is D, is going out to be the time which is which is W by VBR into the river current velocity which is VR. And these two quantities are given to us. It's given to us that it takes him 10 minutes and drift of 120 meter. So this drift is given to us as 120 meter and this time is given to us as 10 minutes. So I can put the time here. So I will get the VR into time which is 10 minutes is going out to 120 meter. So VR is going out to be 120 by 10 or 12 meters per minute. 12 meters per minute, but minute we should not give answer in meter per minute, so I will convert it in seconds. So it's going to be 12 meter by 60 seconds or 1 by 5 meter per second. So this is the velocity of river current. Now I need to also find the width of the river. So velocity of river current is already known to me. Let's proceed. Let's go toward the second condition. If he crosses the river taking the shortest path, he takes 12.5 minutes. So to cross the river in shortest path, the time is given to us. And to cross the river in shortest path, the velocity of boat with respect to river should be in this direction. Velocity of boat with respect to river should be in such a direction such that the net velocity is going out to be in y direction only, is perpendicular to banks only. In that case, the time to cross can be written as width of the river divided by velocity in this direction. This direction velocity can be written as by Pythagoras theorem root over VBR square minus VR square. And this time is known to us as 12.5 minutes. So if we divide those two expressions, that expression 1 and expression 2, I will get 12.5 by 10 is 1.25 should be equal to width, and width will get cancelled out. So VBR by root over VBR square minus VR square. So if you divide equation 2 by equation 1, so I am getting this expression. Equation 2 by equation 1, I am getting this expression. Now this VR is known to me, it is 0.2. This VR is known to me, 0.2. So if I put VR here, so I can easily solve this expression for VBR. And by knowing VBR, I can get the width of the river. So all the desired quantity in the question can now be calculated. Now the calculation part is left to you. Thank you.